I got this lifetime loan to pay inside my head. Before the movie starts, I know how it ends. I never cross that line between lovers and friends. 'Cause I lost the ones I loved knowing I couldn't help. I never said goodbye, I can't forgive myself. So you should go invest your time in someone else. Find somebody that'll treat you well. You deserve heaven, don't settle for hell. 'Cause some secrets I don't know how to tell. I think I'm broken. I think I'm broken. So turn around, I'll count to 10. Walk away, now my door is open. The words that you're holding, just leave them unspoken. 'Cause no hands can make a home, and you know that one half is broken. Soon I'll disappear, blame it on my career. And I keep filling holes with all these drugs and fear. Till midnight comes, I'm drunk, I'll say I need you here. Oh. And I'll apologize for stringing you along. Then I'll try to bury you under another song. My pathetic narrative goes on and on. Some secrets I don't know how to tell. I think I'm broken. I think I'm broken. So turn around, I'll count to 10. Walk away, now my door is open. The words that you're holding, just leave them unspoken. 'Cause no hands can make a home, and you know that one half is broken. I think I'm broken. I think I'm broken. So turn around, I'll count to 10. Walk away now.